is here! It's Lulu and Slimo!
We jump and play, we learn today.
Ready for fun with magic slime! This game is boring. Slimo, why are you glowing like fire? H! The floor is lava. Slime? I can't touch the floor. Don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall. Slimo, that's not funny. Okay, this is funny. Next time, warn me first. Boop. The floor is not tea lava anymore.